G'day, it's Adrian here from Using Technology Better with another tip in the Gmail space. Now we all want to manage our email and manage that kind of email overload better, and there's a couple of ways we can do that really nicely inside Gmail. The one I want to show you today is looking at the snoozed feature. Now what snooze does is it pulls an email out of your inbox and then brings it back at another time. Now that's really handy if you've got something coming up that you don't need to deal with for a couple of weeks, but you don't want it to drop out of your mind. So let's pretend that this one here from Sam here is actually transferring something to me, and I need to look at it a bit later. So if I click on it, up the top here comes this snooze button. If I hit snooze, it'll then say, when do you want to snooze it to? And I can say, you know what, I need it in about another month's time. So I can come into here and go in February the 8th at 8 o'clock in the morning. I want to have that email appear in my inbox, and if I go save, it pulls it out of my inbox and holds it in the snoozed area until that date. It means that my inbox is less cluttered and my workflow, my energy is concentrated on the things that I need to be looking at. If I need to get it back quickly because I suddenly think I've got some free time now, I can deal with that email. All I need to do is click on the snooze label and all the emails that I've snoozed will be in there as well. Really good way of managing that workflow.